Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Google's brand new AI Agent Toolkit, a development that's got the tech world buzzing. Google has just unveiled something called the Agent Development Kit, or ADK, along with a protocol called Agent-to-Agent Communication, A2A. These might sound technical, but don't worry, we're going to break down what they mean in simple terms and why everyone is so excited about them. First, what is an AI agent? Think of an AI agent as a smart digital helper that can act on its own to perform tasks. Until now, most AI tools like chatbots have been reactive. You ask a question or give a command, and they respond. Google's ADK is aiming to change that by making it easier to build AI agents that are more proactive. With ADK, developers can create AI-driven programs that don't just sit around waiting for commands. They can take initiative, interact with apps, and accomplish goals autonomously. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Google isn't just giving these agents brains, it's teaching them to talk to each other. The second part of Google's announcement is a two-way agent-to-agent communication. This is an open protocol, meaning it's a set of rules and standards anyone can use, that lets different AI agents exchange information and coordinate actions securely. SDTIMES.com. Imagine one AI agent that specializes in scheduling meetings being able to communicate with another agent that handles travel arrangements. They could work together to plan an entire business trip for you, seamlessly handing tasks off to each other. With A2A, Google is basically providing a common language for AI agents across various platforms to collaborate. So why is this a big deal? Well, picture a future where your personal AI assistant can coordinate with your work AI assistant, or where an AI managing inventory can automatically chat with an AI handling shipping logistics. This kind of multi-agent teamwork could make complex workflows much more efficient. Google says it developed A2A with help from over 50 other companies. SDTIMES.com, which shows there's broad industry support. Many players want their AI systems to be able to communicate with others. It's a bit like setting a standard for how computers talk to each other, but now it's for AI-to-AI conversations. Another feature Google introduced is a no-code agent designer. This means even people who aren't hardcore programmers can design custom AI agents through an interface, rather than writing code from scratch. SDTIMES.com. Plus, Google is providing some pre-built agents, with names like Deep Research and Idea Generation, that companies can use out of the box. SDTIMES.com. These built-in agents hint at what Google envisions: AI that can dig through data to research a topic deeply, or brainstorm creative ideas, working almost like a colleague. This topic is trending because it represents a shift in how we use AI. We're moving from AI as just a question-answering tool to AI as an autonomous collaborator. Just a year or two ago, the idea of AI agents coordinating actions might have sounded like science fiction. But now Google is not only talking about it, they've released tools to make it happen. On social media and tech forums, developers are excited, and maybe a bit anxious, about the possibilities. Could this lead to AI systems that manage more of our day-to-day tasks? Google's certainly hinting at that future. In summary, Google's ADK and A2A protocol could be a game-changer. By open-sourcing the toolkit and protocol, Google is inviting the global developer community to build smart, communicative AI agents. It's a strong push towards AI that is more active, working behind the scenes to help us, and even helping each other. If you're an AI enthusiast, this is definitely a development to watch. It could spark a whole ecosystem of AI agents that make our lives easier. So, whether you're imagining a personal AI butler handling chores or a team of AI bots running a business's operations, the groundwork is being laid right now. Google's not just making a single AI product, it's creating a foundation for many AI systems to work together. That's why everyone's talking about it. Thanks for watching. In this video we unpacked Google's new AI Agent Toolkit ADK and A2A and why it's such a hot topic. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates. Let us know in the comments, what would you do with your own team of AI agents? Until next time, stay curious.